It's all fine. Like, fuck me gently with a fucking chainsaw. Fuck my life. Nothing to really mourn. I was literally right in front of him. No. Hi, Ruby. Are you selling phase coffee? I'm doing the daily quota, so they don't fuck me up later in the basement. Don't beat her. Please, I advertised the coffee today. Please don't hit me. I'm kidding. It's a joke. It's a joke. For valid reasons, this is a joke, and it's just there's a fucked up little vision in my head. How do you say my name? Weena. Ewina. Just say Edina or Eddie. Edina, like you say. Arimina, Eri, Ewina. You say Eddie, Erna. Okay, you come here. How come? Why? When I see you guys say Erna, it's like what? I sound like a Muppet. Actually, you are kind of a Muppet. Oh, Muppet? Does that mean there's a hand? Yeah, not a single like skull in me. It's just a hand that's. Ooh. I will retract my words. I can buy you. Yes, don't summon the devil.